was addressed during a public hearing this morning. Jolene Tovis reports.
Healthcare Committee Chair Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr. is hoping the third time will be a charm. He, along with Senator Rory Respicio, Eileen Yamashita, and Tony Atta, have co-sponsored Bill 132, a measure aimed to help the flatlining finances at the Guam Memorial Hospital.
This is the third attempt to try to get some funding to the hospital. But I've always said this is a three-legged approach that needs to be taken. Is that number one, we retire the debt, which is now over $18 million.
And according to GMH Chief Financial Officer Alan Orrick, it's a debt that is accruing every single month. As we've reported, vendors have already begun cutting off providing supplies and equipment to the hospital.
That being said, it's really important for the hospital to minimize that outstanding liability, to get current with our vendors so we don't have this additional burden of the $70,000 a month.
Bill 132 would pledge $2 million annually in compact impact money to pay a loan of up to $13 million that GMH is already authorized to obtain through public law introduced in the 30th Guam legislature. The bill has the full support of Governor Eddie Calvo as well as the Guam Economic Development Authority, GIDA's financial service manager, Lester Carlson.
We were asked to assist the senator in being able to come up with a funding source that would take the existing $25 million authorization that's contained in Public Law 30-200, of which only $12 million was able to have been secured.
Bill 132 was introduced after Senator Rodriguez's Bill 20 was pulled back due to concerns from health insurance companies that would have been taxed. He then introduced Substitute Bill 20, which was eventually referred back to committee during session last month. The Substitute Bill 20 proposed taxing gaming devices that were the subject of a 5-year-old lawsuit and revert the revenue to GMH. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Tovis.
Turning our eye to crime.